baba angimbonanga wafana nawe lavi waza ngoba nguwe wedwa
Ay.
nguwe wedwa nguwe wedwa enhlizweni yami
I know.
ngoba nguwe wedwa nguwe wedwa nguwe wedwa enhlizweni yami.
I know. Ay, chaka talente ngata.
Thank you.
Ay, talente ngata. Mekena na ra ha so ena mon. A ke matsatsing a se re le kotsi ka AI.
Yeah.
Se re le ba
No, I'm an original artist.
He?
Original artist.
He mona ha we perform a staging mo tletseng batho ko ntwetse ba
Ngiyatshela
fila.
wena.
Yeah.
They fell in love with it. Most of the time, uma ngiperforma abantu bavele ngibona abantu beletha ama donation stage.
Yeah.
Baletha ama donation stage.
Family ki be teng be nna rama tlotlo mo. Ki be ya a tshwara di chelete. E gantsa ba diela ma. Se re kgathetse ho dielwa bo dintho matengane.
Yeah.
A ke re se le tlwaetso ho diela kwa. Ba ntsha mona la batho ba bomme ba ho betega ba diela chelete.
Yeah.
Mona the inspiration behind this track nguwe wedwa. It's okay.
Actually, it's all about love.
Okay.
We're promoting love because actually, before, I give gospel njengoba ngisho.
Okay.
So when we talk about God, God will define himself as love. So, angeke ukwazi ukuthanda omunye umuntu singakwazi ukuthandana.
Yes.
So I thought for me, start building a relationship. It's a basic. Before we go to church.
Yes.
And learn to love our colleagues from church, pastors. So that's my inspiration, to spread love, to build love in the communities, and also loving God as well.
Ke ratile ha o qala fela o re qala ka wena.
Qala kwa wena qala.
Qala ka wena ngwaneso hore o tsebe hosane to be, because there's one thing I always tell batho ba bangata ke the best testimony it's you.
Yeah.
That's the best. You are the best testimony ever ke wena. Mo ka khona ngore ha o tlo re nna modimo ke mobono tlamelo qale ka wena hore nna bonneteng I'm a testimony hore modimo wa phela ibile o teng.
That's why even God says if you read 1 John 4.
Okay.
1 John 4, God for the first time he defined himself as love. Uthi uyamthanda yena engakaze mbone uqamba amanga.
Okay.
Uthi how can you love yena fail to love one another, the person that you see?
Yes sir.
So if you fail to love the person that you see, meaning you can't love God, because uma kube uyambona naye uzo behave the same way you behaving komunye umuntu ombonayo. So uthi umqambe manga uthi umuntu uyamthanda kodwa yena ehluleka ukuthanda umuntu ombonayo.
No, Mr. Mthembu se.
Yes my brother.
Monna go tlile o re hlalosetsa pejana mane. Re kena ka lerato. Ke kopa re kene ke batla ho teba haholo bana jwale you have touched mone ke sa lebela go ka tshwara teng. O motho lapeng o hodisitswe ke mang? Mme le ntate na ba le teng. Ke batla fela ke re qale mono bana ha o qala o bua ka lerato o bua ka ntwe e re tsebang hore e bohloko haholo matsatsing ana na Afrika Borwa mo lerato le sa leyo go tloa ho ba sebetsi mmoho le lapeng le ngwaneng wa heno re dula re qabana. Ke batla o tseba fela ka lehlakoreng la hao batswadi na ba le teng o holeng wa hao morena ka ha o qala o bua ka lerato ha kana.
Actually ngizwama amazwi nakho ukuthi actually yonke into iqala ngawe. Qala ngawe. Whether you want to love somebody, whether it's a girlfriend or boyfriend, first of all you need to learn how to love yourself first. And you'll be able to love other people. Because you can't love your children while you are failing to love yourself. You can't love your wife or your husband while you are failing to love yourself. Because you how can you give things ongazazi when? Because you need to learn it from yourself first. After learning from yourself, you can be able to love other people. So Anje, the basic thing is to actually you need to find yourself, who you are, and love yourself.
this track number 2, Uthando. The
Yeah.
inspiration behind it. Nguwe weta now se re tlile ho nguwe weta re kena go Uthando. Ke di fapana kae? The differences.
The differences.
Yes.
Actually, ngikhuluma ngothando mina kuyo yonke into.
Limona nansi lelo.
Yeah, even nalelo futhi likhuluma ngothando, but lona ke luya deep because lapho selikhuluma nge-relationship.
Okay.
Ukuthi most of the time thina masithandana ngikuthandela ukuthi unani. Udriver ini, usebenzaphi. Yabo. Ekugcineni ngigcine ngathola uthando because ngithanda into zakho. Uma into zakho sesishabalala vele nawe ngisakuthanda ngoba you don't have something to offer.
And for the material things.
The material things, yeah.
Yeah. No, Chief, ke kopa fela re tshware fela jwalo. Matingane. Ha ke tsebe ngwaneso. Ha ke tsebe ko tshware ka tsona tsa hore ane ya borobong hore di eme jwang kgaitsedi ya ka loka. Re bona hore re matha jwang. Ka